How to delete credit card from DoorDash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete credit card from DoorDash. For this, you want to open the DoorDash app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to delete the credit card from DoorDash, the process is very simple. The first thing you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. Once you get here, you will find different options. Go ahead and tap on the payment methods option over here. Now, all of your saved payment methods will be displayed over here. All you want to do is find the payment method that you want to delete. In this case, you want to delete the credit card. So go ahead and find that. Once you find it, you want to slide it to the left until it is removed. Once you do that, your credit card will be successfully removed. Now, after you have removed your credit card, if more than one card is on the account, you want to click on the card that you would like to set as default card. A check mark will appear next to the card that is set as default. Now, if you want to add another credit or debit card, go ahead and tap on credit/debit card option. Then enter your card number, expiration date, CVV number, and postcode over here, and tap on the add card option. And in this way, you can easily delete the credit card from DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.